this is Devesh from 3DV Vlogs. This is the third video on Python tutorial. Today let's learn about conditional statements. So let's start. Okay, so there are mainly 4 types of conditional statements in Python. They are if, else, elif, which stands for else if, and nested if. Before learning more deeply about it, let's understand what are conditional statements. So in this flowchart, if the condition is true, it will execute statement 1. If the condition is false, it will execute statement 2. After that, it will end the program. This is a simple explanation on conditional statements. If statement. This statement is used if a statement or a block of statements are to be executed if the given condition is true. If the condition is false, it ignores the block and moves to the next operation. The flowchart is similar to the flowchart that we did a little while ago. Now else statement. If two actions are to be performed depending upon certain conditions, we use else statement with if. If condition becomes true in the flowchart, statement 1 gets executed, else statement 2 gets executed. Elif statements. When we want to check two conditions, we use elif statements. In this flowchart, if the condition is true, it will execute statement 1. Else if condition is equal to false, it will execute statement 2, else statement 3. Nested if statement. When there is an if condition inside another condition, say if or else if, it is called nested if. Okay, this is a flowchart of nested if statement. If the first condition is equal to true, then it will do another condition which is nested inside the main condition. That's simple. Now let us understand the syntax of these conditional statements. This is the syntax of if statement. We have a variable a and as a value 1. We are checking a condition that if a is equal to 1, print hello. Don't forget to put indentations because they are very important in Python. 4 spaces are usually used as indentation in Python. This is the syntax of else statement. We are checking a condition that if a is equal to 1, print yes, else print no. Don't forget to put colon after each conditional statement. This is the syntax of elif statement. If true, print a, elif false, print b, else print c. That's simple. This is the syntax of nested if statement. We had two variables a and b and as values 1 and 3. We are checking a condition if a is equal to 1, then only check the condition if b is less than 4. Okay, now I will give you a problem. If you know to solve this in a better way, give it in the comment box. Okay, so let's see the question. This is the question. Create a program to check whether a number is positive or negative. The first line, a is equal to int input and enter a number, is simple. It asks user to give an input. This is the output of the program. The computer has asked me to give an output. I gave -1. So it gives the answer as a negative number. Now I have given the input as 45. So the computer gives the output as a positive number. Thanks for watching guys. If you like this video, smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe this channel and share this video. Leave a comment in the comment box for suggestions and bye bye.